Kaki Mudra, crow's beak breath.
So just finding an upright stance where your spine can feel supported and long, nice and alert. And just letting the hands just rest on your thighs or on your knees. And then up to you, if you find this comfortable, then you can add this position with your eyes. Going to turn your gaze to look at the tip of your nose. If you find that really puts tension in your eyes or is uncomfortable, then you can just do that briefly here and there. If you can maintain that, then that's where the gaze is going to be, down to the tip of your nose. And then as far as possible, not blinking during this practice. So if you feel the urge to blink, you can resist that as far as is possible. And then this is called crow's beak breath because of the position you're going to place your lips in, which will look like a crow's beak. So just puckering your lips up as if you're going to whistle. And this is where we're going to take the inhalation and end of the inhalation, closing the mouth and breathing out through the nose. You're going to sip the cool air in through your pursed lips. Pause with that breath held for a moment and then breathing out through your nose. Let's do that a few times. As you feel that cool air coming in through your pursed lips, imagining that this cool air could almost cool and calm your brain, your frontal brain, as you draw this fresh, clean, cool air in. Breathing out through the nose, let in anything unwanted go. Some of you still maintaining that gaze to your nose tip. It's putting undue tension in your eyes, and just softly close your eyes, but you can still gaze down at the nose tip even behind your closed lids. So gradually allowing that practice to cease, beginning to relax your lips and just feel the breath now just coming and going through the nose tip. So this is a nice practice, a nice kind of focusing practice to do before meditation. So now we let that lead us in to whatever position you want to take, sitting or laying. Just giving some time for the practice to be absorbed. Really good practice for a hot day. Cooling, calming, soothing practice. In fact, even as you lay here, if you do you feel that sense that there's that kind of sometimes a little bit of heat in the mind, when you can say, I feel a little bit heated in the mind? This is the ideal practice. Perhaps as you lay here, instead of having the mouth completely closed, there might be some very small opening of the lips, very subtle, just enough to feel a very subtle passage of breath, not only through the tip of the nose, but very subtly through the lips. The lips barely open. Just curious to notice how cool the air feels as it passes through your lips. Even though you are breathing in an ordinary, easy way. Cool, invigorating breath is coming in through the slightly open lips. The warmer, more heated air is just leaving through the nostrils. Maybe as you relax even a little bit more the muscles around the jaw and the eyes softening. Maybe you naturally notice those lips just closing themselves. Now the focus just on the passage of air on the tip, the very tip of your nose. Easy, natural, unlaboured breathing. Absorbing the effects of Kaki Mudra.